guys, it's me, Sanaya. I really wanted to change my channel's name to my budgies name so I can more talk about them, do some fun videos with them, and yeah, but I changed it. My sister said no, and then I changed it back. Now I have to wait 10 more days till I get it. So we're still in with my budgie things, but okay. Let's start. And I also will tie my hair because I don't trust them with my hair. Bye guys. Okay, let's start. First thing we're gonna do, first they do that. Gonna wait. You're gonna wait. Oh my gosh, don't fight, don't fight. Hello, little baby. Go. Little baby, I'm telling you to go. There. Thank you, little baby. Little baby, you want me this way? No, Blue, it's not for you. No. Oh, it's okay. Just little things. I'll come back to you. You guys, so I think I got the materials. This is the mouse spray they gave. This was a little tiny piece of mouse spray for them. I taped them. So let's start. Okay, but you are not going anywhere. Little budgie, where's Blue? Where's Blue? I never saw. Oh, she's in there. She can see that much. Okay, let's open the gate. I'll come back with you when I open the gate, baby. Look what they're doing right now. Hello, Mister. What are you doing? Oh, no, it's okay. You're waiting for me. Good job, Mister. Mister? What are you doing, Mister? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Here you go, Mister. Mister. Hey, Mister, come here. Mister, here. Mister, you get this. Oh my gosh, don't worry, Mister. There. Blue, you will show you Papa. Come here. Yes, you'll get it. Quietly, Baba. Be quiet, please. That's it, Baba. Too much milk spray. Yesterday you had your late night snack as milk spray. What do you want? She's like too curious to know. I am searching for milk spray. Do you know where milk spray is? Go, baby, you're searching for milk spray. Where's milk spray? No, there's no milk spray in the world. Come here. I tried taking them from the milk spray festival. Here, milk spray festival. Oh, just did that. Why is it so strong? I'll come back, guys. Will do. Okay. I finally get to record them. After some purposes, Green wants to forgive you. for not giving his middle by his beloved. Why are you trying to cut your nails? Okay, Hanyang, get you. Don't eat your nails. You will. Nugget. Now, Lulu, Bobby, Budgie, what you doing? What are you doing? Missy, go away. Go away. I said go away, Papa. It's time to just team green. You are gonna be out of the video now. Okay, there's here. He's a good boy. Oh man, I know that's a camera. The camera, he's trying to show up. I love that he is the best owner in the world. Hello, Missy. What you doing? Go. Oh, come back here. Oh, it's okay. Mama said it's okay. I would give them a little spray, but now they learned. And that's the reason. The rub to your hand. What are you doing? Stop doing anything. Amma, no que. Amma, no cabra. Hello. Be together. Okay, go back. Oh, back to your nest of purposes. Bye, Baba. It's not, I'm your friend. Oh, I'm your friend. I can't say no. Okay, yeah. Come on. Go back. Oh, whatever. Just to make them stop biting, just stand still. I'll go more politely to you. Just stand there like they're perched. And do nothing to them to stop. Sorry you're angry at me, I didn't give you notes, right? You know how imitation is not your victory. Remember I taught you on your first day? What do you want so? Dun. Baba, come. Good job. Go on. Go on the bridge, Baba. You wanna go on the bridge? No sliding all the way. And it's not fun. Yeah, that's not fun. It's not fun, Baba. There, good job. So you made it? Are you excited? Bye guys. Hope you subscribe. Please subscribe, then I can be famous. I'm gonna be famous. Now go on, buddy. The reason they're writing is they're mad. But I can give them their extra nose spray. Nose spray is for later, Baba. You have to be a good girl to be there. Okay, next time they come, they're gonna be good, right? Are you good? Yeah, you're good, right?
11:39